My name is Srinivasan. I'm a student from Department of Biotechnology. I got placed in Samsung R&D Bangalore for the profile of Product Development Engineer. It's basically for the Health and Medical Devices Equipment Engineering Division. So the main CV highlight which I think I had for the uh, for getting the job is having international experience in computational biology. Actually, the company were expecting people working in biomedical related fields and computational biology, as this is their new division and they are making new products for new health and medical equipments, and there's a new division opened in Bangalore. So I think that was a major like my internships in computational biology helped me a lot. For the preparation, the interviews had the 3 rounds. There were 2 technical and then 1 HR round. The technical rounds were basically on algorithms, on my CV, all the projects which I had done. I had done various computational biology and algorithm based projects. So all those helped me in cracking the technical interviews. The 2 technical interviews were having a lot of in-depth questions into algorithms, how it worked, software engineering, the various architecture, machine learning algorithms, and how they worked and where to use and all those kind of preparations. And for the preparation, I would suggest this profile was specifically open for SMST and biotechnology departments. So I think for preparation, everyone has to look into their own CV. They can start working upon if they are in first or second or third years. They can start working upon various computational biology and medical equipment related projects. If in their final years they can start brushing up their algorithms and all the machine learning tools, and they can, if they are working on data analytics, they'll also have to look into all the various methodologies, models used in the algorithms. So that's what I would say for the preparation, as they were more they were looking for very core computer science knowledge. And yeah, so for special preparation, I would say for HR especially, be confident, tell the truth, be confident in front of the interviewer, tell whatever you know, and then even if they're asking for any specific questions, it's better to be straightforward to them. If you don't know, then you can just tell them that you don't know. That's my major advice. And I'd like to say that the interview process has been completely it has been so fulfilling, and the Samsung rounds were so good. So if you are good at technical knowledge, and if you want to go into the company, if you want to go into research and development in this particular sector, I think this would be a very great opportunity for you.
So in the technical rounds, they didn't ask you anything from the course structure that you had here in KGP?
Course structure? No, not much. It was mostly based on algorithms and data structures.
The kind of things that you had written down in your
CV. Yeah, and also based on the projects which I did.
So they don't ask a lot from like the courses that you do in KGP?
As I'm from biotech department, not many courses which I did in my department were useful.
Okay.
But which I did in other departments, in computer science departments, were so helpful in answering the algorithms and the machine learning questions. Further, even they asked about the projects which I worked on, which was very closely related to what they are working on in the company as of now.
Okay.
And there's a new division where they have just launched a product last month, and they are working on more products coming on this particular sector.
It's pretty good. Thank you.
Thank you.